talking today about the long block options available for your Cat on-highway truck engine, and our core expert Alan is standing by to share the details. Alan, are there some myths about long blocks we need to clear up?
There sure are, Zach. The first thing to clarify is this. Cat Reman long blocks are a great repair option, but they're no longer your only option. We recently released Cat Reman long blocks with new content for 3406, C15, and C-15 engines. These long blocks come with 100% new cylinder block, crankshaft, and cylinder head, basically restarting the life cycle of the engine with future overhauls built in. That helps eliminate any risk associated with fatigue failure of the cylinder block or crankshaft. It also eliminates the need to do any machining work on the block. This option is a great time saver whether you're doing it yourself or having it done in shop. The core criteria for long blocks with new content are a lot more flexible too. Your core is eligible for a full credit even if it has operational and non-operational damage like excessive rust or pitting. One of the questions we get often is, how do I know whether I should choose a Cat Reman long block or a Cat Reman long block with new content? The general rule of thumb is this: if your core is still in good condition, no non-operational damage, go with the Cat Reman long block. If your existing core is damaged, like pitting or excessive rust, then your best option is the Cat Reman long block with new content, as you'll get a full credit for your core. Another area where there's some confusion is the core criteria for Reman long blocks. So let me clear that up. You'll either receive a full core refund or a damaged core refund with add charges applied. To get the full core refund, make sure your long block is fully assembled and complete with the shipped loose parts in the box. You'll be subject to an add charge if the shipped loose parts are missing. Also, make sure the cylinder block is not visibly cracked, broken, or welded, and confirm that the crankshaft is not visibly broken. If your long block has a cracked, broken, or welded cylinder block or a visibly broken crankshaft, you'll receive a damaged core refund. And finally, double check that your long block doesn't have any non-operational damage, like excessive rust, corrosion, or fire damage. It won't qualify for a core refund if it does. If your long block has any of the conditions we just mentioned, the long block with the new content is a better repair option. That's because you'll get full core credit as long as the loose parts are returned with a long block. Zach, I hope this helps shed some more light on long block repair options.
It sure does, Alan. Thanks. If you have more questions about Cat Reman long blocks or anything related to Cat on-highway truck engines, get in touch with your local authorized Cat dealer or visit our resource center on cattruckengines.com.